This recording is going to show you how to make a backup of a course. So first, go to your course. Once you are inside your course, then you are going to go over here to settings. Now your settings may be, pulled over to this side. They may be docked over here, so find wherever your settings are, and you're going to see a backup. So I'm going to click on backup now. And when I first do this, I'm going to click next. It's going to include activities, blocks, and filters. I click next. And now it's going to show me a big long list of all of my labels, activities, and resources that I have in my Moodle. I can uncheck any that I want to back up, but I want to back up everything. So then I'm going to click next. And now it's verifying. You'll notice that no student data or user data is going to be backed up. No assignments that are turned in, and no students will be in the course in this backup course. But all of the items themselves will be here. My quizzes, my files, my URLs, my pictures, anything like that. And then I click on Perform the Backup. Now, depending on how much I have in my course, especially uploads, it may take a while to back up your course, and it depends on how fast of an internet connection you have too. A wired connection is going to go a little bit faster than the wireless. Okay, it says my backup file was successful, and I'm going to click Continue, and it's going to show me all the backup files that I have. Now, why am I backing up my files? Two reasons. One, if I change my course significantly and I want to go back to an earlier time, if I don't do a backup, there's no undo on Moodle. So before I make significant changes in my course, I might want to perform a backup just in case I delete things that I am really sorry that I didn't want to delete, because I can back it up. I can also just back up certain files into my new course. So those are another reason, and I can take it with me. So if I'm going to teach at a different school district, or if I just want to save it because a Moodle server could go down and crash and I want to make sure that I have my course. So here it is, and I click on download, and depending if you have Google or Internet Explorer will prompt you to save. You can pull down to save as and give it a name and save it where you want. Google, on the other hand, is going to save it into your downloads folder. So now you have to go to downloads. And when you open up your downloads folder, you're going to see a zipped file in there that is the contents of your Moodle course with everything in there. And you can save that on a flash drive or load it up to the clouds, your Google Docs, or wherever you want to save that backup, just in case something happens to Moodle. So here's my downloads folder, and here's my Moodle backup. It is right here. This is a zip file. It's not going to be read by anything except for Moodle. You can't open it or anything like that, but it can be imported back into Moodle, any Moodle 2.0 course. So that's the real reason for doing this. So hopefully you back up your course just in case something might happen to it.